My name is John. I'm from the United States. How are you today?
Hi, John. I'm Emma. I'm also from the U.S. I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good. A little sleepy, but good. I had coffee, so that helps.
Oh, coffee always helps. I had tea this morning. It's cold today, so I wanted something warm.
Yeah, same here. It's really cold outside today. Winter is here, for real.
Oh yes, winter is definitely here. I looked outside this morning and thought, wow, it's freezing.
Yeah, that's winter for you. So today, Emma, I was thinking, maybe we can talk about winter weather.
Oh, I like that idea. Winter weather is a big topic, and everyone has stories about it.
That's true. So let's start simple. Do you like winter?
Yes and no. I like some things about winter, but I don't like everything.
Yeah, I feel the same way. What do you like about winter?
Well, I like snow. Not too much snow, just a little. It looks pretty. Everything is white and quiet.
Oh yeah, snow can be very beautiful, especially in the morning.
Yes, early in the morning, before cars and people. It feels calm.
I agree. I also like winter clothes. Big coats, soft sweaters, warm hats.
Oh, me too. I love sweaters and scarves. I have so many scarves.
I believe that. But what don't you like about winter?
Easy. The cold. I really don't like being cold.
Same. Cold hands, cold feet, cold nose. It's not fun.
Not fun at all. And sometimes the wind is very strong. The wind makes it worse.
Oh yes, the wind is terrible. It goes right through your jacket.
Exactly. Last week I went outside without gloves. Big mistake.
Oh no, what happened?
My hands were so cold. I couldn't feel my fingers. I was like, never again.
Yeah, gloves are very important in winter.
Very important. So John, do you remember a winter from your childhood?
Oh yes, I remember one winter very clearly. I was maybe 10 years old. It snowed a lot, like a lot.
Really? What happened?
School was closed for 3 days.
3 days? Wow.
Yeah, I was so happy. No school, just snow.
That sounds amazing.
It was. I went outside with my friends. We made a big snowman.
Oh, I love snowmen.
This snowman was huge, very ugly.
Ugly snowmen are the best.
True. We gave him a carrot nose, but it fell off.
Oh no.
Yeah, so we used a stick instead. It looked very strange.
That's funny. I remember making snow angels.
Oh yeah, snow angels are fun.
I loved lying in the snow. Arms up, legs out, moving slowly.
Yeah, your clothes get wet, but you don't care.
Exactly. You're just having fun.
Winter feels different when you're a kid.
It really does. As an adult, winter feels harder.
Yes. Now winter means shoveling snow.
Oh no, shoveling snow is the worst.
It's hard work. Early morning, cold air.
And your back hurts after.
Yes, that too.
So John, how is winter where you live now?
It's pretty cold. Not crazy cold, but cold. We get some snow, some ice.
Ice is scary.
Very scary. Slipping on ice is no joke.
I slipped once. I didn't fall, but my heart stopped for a second.
Yeah, that moment is scary.
Winter also changes how I feel. I feel more tired.
Me too. The days are shorter, less sunlight.
Yes, it gets dark so early.
Sometimes at 5 p.m. it feels like night.
I don't like that part. I miss the sun.
Same. But winter also makes me slow down.
That's true. More time inside, more time to relax.
Yeah, watching movies, reading books.
Drinking hot chocolate.
Oh yes, hot chocolate is perfect in winter.
With marshmallows.
Of course, always marshmallows.
So if you could change one thing about winter, what would it be?
I would make winter shorter.
That's a good answer.
Maybe just 2 months, not 4.
I agree. I would also make it warmer, just a little.
That would be nice.
Even with the cold, winter is part of life.
Yes, every season has good and bad parts.
Winter teaches us to slow down
And to enjoy warm things.
and to wear gloves.
Very important lesson.
So I think winter is okay. Not my favorite, but okay.
Same here. I don't love it, but I respect it.
That's a nice way to say it.
So yeah, that's winter.
Cold, beautiful, hard, and sometimes cozy.
Exactly. Thanks for talking with me today, Emma.
Thank you, John. It was nice talking about winter together.
And to everyone listening, stay warm.
And enjoy the little things, even in winter.